Hi students, in this video we will learn how to create figure prefix database in Civil 3D. We already learned about survey database in the previous exercise. If you want to learn about survey database in detail, then you can watch previous video. The figure prefix database is used to translate description in the field to line in CAD. These survey generated lines are called survey figures. If a description matches a listing in the figure prefix database, the figure is assigned the properties and style dictated by the database. When you will open your figure prefix database dialog box, it will see something like that, which you have all figure prefix database here according to your criteria. So in this video we will create some figure prefix database, and we will select our break line, slot line layers according to our requirement, which we will use in any drawing. So let's start our exercise. Open your drawing, survey setup. I will put this drawing in the description link. You can download from there. This file contains the survey figure styles needed to complete for this exercise. In the tool space, if you are not in survey tab, then click on survey tab, and here you can see figure prefix database. Just right click and click new. So I am going to create new figure prefix database. I will call it Civil 3D new project. Okay, then press OK. Now new figure prefix database dialog new figure prefix database has been created, but you can't see that here. When you will expand this menu, you can see your all figure prefix database. Here I have Civil 3D, then here we have new project, Civil 3D new project, which I create now. So right click and go to manage free pick figure prefix database. Here figure prefix database manager dialog box open. Now I want to create new figure prefix, so here you can see plus sign, so you will click and it will show you a new sample which you can make changes for according to your requirement. You can put name BP, or I am putting this for bottom of the bank. I am creating a new database for bottom of the bank. Then now click the checkbox next to the word no here for the break lines, and I will leave that for lot line. It will not lot line, so leave that as no. And here you can select your layer. We have all layers here. I will select V survey figure for the layers, and here you can select style BP. Leave the site as survey site. So for the next, I want to create one more database. I will click on plus sign, and then BLDG is my new figure prefix database. Then press yes here. For lot line no, survey figure should be same like above. V survey figure, and for style should be CL. So if I want to make new survey database which have same properties like them, so I can copy that. When you will select this, and here you can see copy. So a new survey database has been added with same property. Just I will change the name of that survey database. So you can create many database according to your requirements, which will apply to your drawing according to this criteria. So when you will click OK, it has been set. If you want to learn more about survey tab in Civil 3D, then stay tuned for the next exercise.